really, really hope this is for supporters only. I guess if it's not, then I'll stay public, because I don't know what else the freak to do. So, and the number count is going up. I bet it's not supporters only. Fudge. Hi, Rima. I don't know why it's not working. I miss you guys. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, well, I'm gonna stay here anyways. Y'all just be nice, please. Okay, so earlier I made chickpeas. I made chickpeas earlier. I don't want to share the recipe yet because number one, this public. But also because it's not perfect. I don't want to share the recipe until it's perfect. Like, this was my first time ever making chickpeas. Like, I wanted it to be something similar to corn nuts. The flavor was off the chain. Okay, it was really, really good. And it's orange. Do you want me to blow it? Okay. Yes. But after I do this, you need to lay down, okay? The flavor was off the chain, dude. Okay. Why don't you want to? Because my supporters are my happy place. You wouldn't understand unless you were there. It's, I don't know. That is my safety, my security blanket. I don't have to deal with drama over there. And the group of people are Bob.
Look, Mommy, I just turned it on and look up.
Move your hands, Bunny.
Why?
But I do miss you guys. I do. I do miss being public, but my sanity and my peace of mind, you know, today was already a lot. And I need to ground myself, and I did a little bit. We went out for a drive. We just got back home. We went out for a drive. We put the windows down. We let the cool air come in. It felt so nice. We are going to take the kids driving again. We found a really nice spot here in Yuma where it's a huge parking lot. And my kids, they're 11 and 13, and we teaching them how to drive. Okay, bump you if you have a problem. But yeah, we enjoy it. We enjoy it. I know that I was pretty young whenever I learned how to drive, and so is Vaughn. Vaughn, you were like 12?
How to drive? I think so. But mine was more so begging them to actually teach me how to drive.
Oh, wait, your grandparents were begging you?
No, me begging them.
Oh. How old were you guys whenever you learned how to drive?
Man, I got no clue what I'm doing, man. What the hell is this? Whatever.
Here you go, buddy.
It is the same.
What is this? What am I supposed to do with this?
But, Mommy...
It'll be like an onion ring.
Mommy...
I mean, it's going to be just one big ass onion ring.
That's okay. That's okay.
I wanted a fry or something.
Sticky.
Well, it's not going to taste like an onion ring. Oh, there you go. Potato wedges. That's what it looks like. Okay, so we have Mr. Mccray over here. 11? You were 11. You were 10? I was 19, I think. I got Mr. Mccray over here chopping up, baby, what that is?
It's a squash, what do you call it? Butternut squash. I used it last night to make butternut squash.
Y'all don't look in my room. Bye. Sorry, go ahead.
I used it last night to make butternut squash fries, but I'm using it tonight, I guess, to just make it again, but in a different way.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Mama,
Okay.
This is not squishy enough.
And clothing haul.
This is not squishy enough.
Try to put in park and ended on the curb. Almost drove the car in the house. Stop it right now. I wasn't really hold on. Wasn't really taught. I just was very observant. I started driving even in freeways to other cities. At 12 years old, you were driving on the freeway? What? These are some shorts that I got today. I got this at Walmart. My booty gonna look good in those. These are shorts for at-home use.
See, I wanted them to at least look like something like this, but they was all disfigured looking and stuff.
Hold on, bunny. And then this is the shirt to go with it. Also an at-home shirt. I love to be a hoochie in my own home. Okay? There we go. There we go. I was 15. My younger sister was 10. Stop it. Oh, we gonna have some creeps today. Block. Y'all are gonna have to just y'all are just gonna have to ignore the people. Wow, I wasn't trying to be rude. I didn't know. I haven't been on Facebook for a while. Rude. What are you, Miriam, girl, what's up with your energy? No. I don't know what's going on. Y'all. I'm spraying y'all.
Somebody go to bed?
No, this is the type of stank coochie energy I be talking about. Get out of here. I know. Y'all stink. See, this is why I got my subscription, okay? I don't want to. What? Don't mess up my vibe. Don't mess up my energy, okay? We not with that stank coochie. We're with that healthy coochie energy, okay? And then I got these. Hold on, bunny. I promise you I'm going to do it. And then I have this shirt. This one was in the women's section, and I was shocked. Because typically, when you go to Walmart, you got to go to the men's section to get stuff like this. Come on. I'm going to bring you your strawberries. Can you do me a favor and make some strawberries? Okay, so these are the leftover of the chickpeas. I'm not going to share this recipe yet until I can perfect this. Oh, baby, can you turn on that light right there? Thank you. So this right here, I feel like it was too mushy in the center. I feel like this one could have been a lot more crunchy, but the flavor was off the chain. I don't need help with the flavor. So someone in my jewelry group, they had shared this photo or whatever of chickpea beans, canned chickpeas, but we try to avoid canned at all costs. I need you to try. Baby, do you know where my phone, my black, oh, I'm on my black phone. When you're done, can you turn on the TV? Y'all, oh my God. It's a monthly subscription, Amber. Tiffany, I can tell you, but make sure you're writing it down, okay? Huh, baby?
I said you can open my phone and click on it.
Where's your phone?
That's what I said, wherever it is. Oh, it's right here.
Okay, so when we had went, can y'all hear me? Oh my gosh. Emmanuel, you gotta do better than that, sir. Do better. Do better. Whenever we went out to go take the kids out, whenever we went to go take the kids out, he wanted to bring a balloon. And so I let him, I was like, okay, you can bring a balloon. It was an orange balloon. And of course, he's in the back seat with the girls, right? And so we are driving in the front with the windows down. And the balloon blew out the window. And so he's been so yori, you know, just crying. He was crying in the car. And he's tired. He woke up early, he went to bed late, and already it's 12:30, you know? It's very, very late. So, it didn't turn on? Or did it? Okay, because this is not working. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be back. Dude, she's looking at me like she's about to cut me. Literally. She's like, what the freak do you want, Mom? I'm trying to sleep. Come here, girl. She's like, back up, Bernard.
When she get out, I don't want to see her.
Baby, I'll cut her back and help you. We'll see. I just wanted to go to bed. What are you doing? Go on the bed. That is why you are out, to be with him. What are you doing out? Bernard?
I think you left the cage open.
Well, I couldn't close it. Go, Jacob. Bernard. And now it's the dogs. Okay, let's hurry up. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna make.
Are you gonna,
Yeah, I'm gonna make a portobello mushroom. Okay, you guys, just don't worry about the stupid people that are here, okay? Y'all focus your attention on me, okay? Okay? Forget all these creeps. Focus on your energy. Focus on mine, okay? Let's vibe together. For real. Connect yourself with me, okay? Can you go live in the group? In my jewelry group? No, I can't. Oh, I can go live in Slay Mafia group. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Listen. If you're a supporter, I'm gonna be live in Slay Mafia. Okay. So that's the subscription that we're talking about. We're gonna go over there. Okay. Love you. Bye.